Mountain plateau and grassland. Mountain plateau and grassland. The Ural mountain in Russia. The Ural mountain in Russia are which type of mountains? The Ural mountains in Russia are which type of mountain? That is old fold mountains. The Ural mountain, also called the Urals, Russian Uralskaya, Gori or Ural mountain range from a rugged spine in West Central Asia and the major part of the traditional physiographic boundary between Europe and Asia. These are old fold mountains extending some 1550 miles 2500 km from the bend of the Ural River in the south to the low, severely eroded Pei-Khoi Ridge, which forms a 250-mile 400 km finger-like extension to northern tip of the Urals. The mountain constitute the major portion of the Uralian organic belt, which stretch 2,175 miles 3,500 km from the Aral Sea to the northernmost tip of the Novaya Zemlya. Belts are grasslands of Africa. The temperate grassland of South Africa are called the belts. Belts are rolling plateau with varying height ranging from 600 meter to 1100 meter. It is bound by the Drakensberg mountain on the east. To its west lies the Kalahari desert. On the northern east part, high belts are located that attain a height of more than 1600 meter in some places. It occurs in the most southern portion of the continent, spreading through the political boundaries of South Africa, Lesotho, Swaziland, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, and Botswana. Which of the following pair of tropical grassland location is correct? That is Savannah, Africa. Tropical grassland: Campos, Brazil; Llanos, Colombia and Venezuela; Savannah, Africa; Steppe, Eurasia. The temperate grassland of Africa are called bald grasslands and country. Downs, Australia; Prairie, United States of America, USA; Pampas, Argentina; Bald, South Africa; Steppes, Europe. Which of the following is the highest peak in Sri Lanka? That is Mount Pedro. Mount Pedro or Piduratalagala is the highest peak in Sri Lanka. Pidurutalagala is the highest peak in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's highest mountains: Piduratangala or Mount Pedro is the highest peak at 8,281 feet. Kirigalpota, the second highest mountain, at 7,835 feet. Adams Peak, Siripada, the third highest mountain, at 7,359 feet. In which country is the Meseta Plateau located? That is Spain. Meseta Central, Great Interior Meseta Plateau of the Iberian Peninsula, Central Spain, with Madrid at its center. It extends over 81,000 square miles and has an average elevation of 2,165 feet. What is the name of mid-latitude grassland in South America? That is Pampas. Grassland go by many names in the US Midwest. There are often called prairies in South America. They are known as Pampas. Central Eurasian grassland are referred to as steppes, while African grassland are savannas. Atmosphere: the lies above the mesopause and is a region in which temperature increase with height, that is thermosphere. moving upward from ground surface. These layers are called the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Mesosphere is a region in which temperature increase with weight. The lowest layer of atmosphere is called troposphere. The atmosphere is blanket of gases which surround the earth. It is held near the surface of earth by its gravitational force of attraction. The atmosphere consists of several layers. Tropospheres. Lowest layer of the atmosphere with an average height of 18 km over tropic and 6 km over polar region. All the weather phenomena occur in this layer. In which layer? Troposphere. All the weather phenomena are occur. Stratosphere. It has an average height from tropopause to 50 km. It is free from weather phenomena and ideal for plane and aircraft. It also contain ozone layer. So here is which sphere is contain the ozone layer? It is stratosphere, and it is also the conducive for the aircrafts, planes, etc. Mesosphere. Its average elevation is 50 to 80 km. Here the temperature decrease along with increasing height. And ionosphere, it extends from 80 km to 640 km. Here the temperature increase on increased height. It's the traveling zone for long radio waves. Exosphere, it's the outermost layer of atmosphere. Here hydrogen and helium occur in high concentration. All changes in climate and weather take place in which layer of the atmosphere? That is troposphere. Which layer of the earth atmosphere contain the ozone layer? That is stratosphere. The stratosphere is found above the tropopause and extend up to height of 15 to 50 km. One important feature of the stratosphere is that it contains the ozone layer. This layer absorbs ultraviolet radiation and shield life on earth from intense harmful form of energy. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? That is stratosphere. The atmosphere only contains what percent of total carbon? That is 0.1%. The atmosphere only contains what percent of total carbon? That is 1%. Carbon dioxide is only found up to 30 km of altitude from the earth's surface. It is an important gas of atmosphere. The amount of carbon dioxide present in atmosphere is 0.036%, and the atmosphere contains 1% of total global carbon. But in recent decades, due to combustion and other man-made process, the concentration of CO2 is rising. Carbon dioxide is only found up to 30 km of altitude from the earth's surface. It is an important gas of atmosphere. Amount of carbon dioxide present in atmosphere is 0.036%, and the atmosphere contains 1% of total global carbon. But in recent decade, due to combustion and other man-made process, the concentration of CO2 is rising. By percentage, which of the following gases is less than the rest in Earth atmosphere? That is carbon dioxide. As per the NASA, the composition of the Earth's atmosphere is as mentioned below: nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.04%. Trace amounts of neon, helium, methane, krypton, and hydrogen, as well as water vapor. By percentage, which of the following gases is greater than the rest in the Earth atmosphere? That is nitrogen. Nitrogen is abundant in the atmosphere with 78% share. Which of the following gas is the second most abundant gas by volume in atmosphere? That is oxygen. Radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by which layer of the atmosphere? That is ionosphere. Hmm. The portion of the thermosphere where charged particles are abundant is called ionosphere, extending from about 80 to 300 km in altitude. The ionosphere is an electrical conducting region capable of reflecting radio signals back to Earth. Which of the following layers of the atmosphere makes radio communication possible? That is ionosphere. Which of the following gas is most harmful for ozone layer? That is I think so, sulfur dioxide. No, it is chlorofluorocarbon. Which of the following gas is most harmful for ozone layer? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, dioxide, chlorofluoro. These four gases are also harmful for the ozone layer, but the chlorofluorocarbon is the most harmful for ozone layer. The main substance include chlorofluorocarbon CFC, hydrochlorofluorocarbons SCFC, halones, carbon tetrachloride, methyl chloroform, and methyl bromide gases are most harmful for ozone layer. The damage to ozone layer caused by each of these substances is expressed as their ozone depletion potential (ODP). Concentration of water vapor in troposphere is, that is 0 to 4%. The exact percentage of different gases other in atmosphere is: nitrogen 78.8%, oxygen 20.94%, argon 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.415%, एंड 0.41% भी कह सकते हैं, नियॉन 0.00018%, वाटर वेपर 0.024%. Which of the following is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere? That is troposphere. The atmosphere consists of different layers with varying density and temperature. Density is highest near the surface of Earth and decreases with increasing altitude. The column of atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers depending upon the temperature condition. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere, and exosphere. The troposphere is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. Its average height is 13 km and extends roughly to height of 8 km near the poles and about 18 km at the equator. Thickness of the troposphere is greatest at the equator because heat is transported to great heights by strong convectional currents. This layer contains dust particles and water vapor. All changes in climate and weather take place in this layer. The temperature in this layer decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meter of height. This is the most important layer for all biological activity. The layer where the decrease in temperature with increasing altitude is totally absent is stratosphere. The stratosphere defines a layer in which temperature rises with increasing altitude. At the top of the stratosphere, the thin layer may contain temperature close to 0 degrees Celsius. This rise in temperature is caused by the absorption of ultraviolet radiation from the sun by the ozone layer. Such a temperature profile creates very stable atmospheric conditions. Consequently, the stratosphere is almost completely free of clouds or other form of weather. A level of atmosphere which is composed partly of electrons and positive ions is called ionosphere. The ionosphere has been made up of mixture of partly of electron and positive ions. Above the stratosphere, a ozone lies, which is composed of the layers made up of electron and positive ions. And here in this zone, the electromagnetic waves are reflected back to the earth. The polar light also come to right in this region. The ionosphere is also known as thermosphere. Ionosphere also overlaps two layers of atmosphere, exosphere and thermosphere. The exosphere has abundance amount of hydrogen and helium. The ionosphere overlaps which two layers of the atmosphere, that is exosphere and thermosphere. which is the bormost layer of the atmosphere, that is thermosphere. Thermosphere is the bormost layer of the atmosphere. It extends from 85 km to 500 km above Earth's surface. It is categorized into ionosphere, exosphere. The ionosphere consists of ions and reflects electromagnetic waves back to the Earth. Which of the following statement about the ionosphere is not correct? That is, it is located immediately above the stratosphere. But only these are correct. It is ionized by solar and cosmic radiation. It contains charged particles. Radio waves transmitted from the Earth are reflected back to the Earth by this layer. The ionosphere stretches roughly from 80 km to 400 km above Earth's surface. Because the ionosphere is made up of charged particles, it's uniquely reactive to changing magnetic and electric conditions in space. It is ionized by solar and cosmic radiation. Radio waves transmitted from the Earth are reflected back to the Earth by this layer. Ozone at the higher level of the atmosphere is a product of acting on oxygen molecules. Ozone of the higher level of the atmosphere is a product of acting on oxygen UV radiation. Ozone at the higher level of the atmosphere is a product of UV radiation acting on oxygen molecule. Ozone at the higher level of atmosphere is product of UV radiation acting on oxygen molecule. The higher energy UV radiation split apart some molecule oxygen into free oxygen atom. These atoms combine with the molecular oxygen to form ozone. Which of the following is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere, that is exosphere? Though the atmosphere extends up to 10,000 km, but its 99% constituent lie up to 32 km. Exosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth. It extends from 640 km to 10,000 km of altitude. The outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere is exosphere. The upper part of the heterosphere is composed almost completely of which gas? That is hydrogen. Heterosphere is the outermost part of the Earth's atmosphere. It is above homosphere, where the mixing of chemical components happens. Ideally, it normally extends from 80 km of altitude. Hydrogen is present in this range in abundance. Atmospheric pressure winds. Which of the following local winds is also called doctor wind? That is Harmattan. Harmattan, the dry, dusty trade wind blowing of the Sahara Desert across the Gulf of Guiana and the Cape Verde Island. It is also known as the doctor wind because of its invigorating dryness compared with humid tropical air. Which among the following is cold dry wind? That is Bora. Bora, originally defined as very strong cold wind that blows from the northeast onto the Adriatic region of Italy, Slovenia and Croatia. Wind blowing constantly in one direction in rocky desert form. It is called sea. Yardangs. Yardangs, these are the large area of soft, poorly consolidated rock and bedrock surfaces that have been extensively grooved, flute and pitted by the wind. It has been derived from a turkey bird meaning standing edge. Sometimes it is take lakhs of years to form such type of landforms. Match list 1 and list 2 and mark the correct answer. चिनूक यूएसए। चिनूक विंड कहाँ पे चलती है? यूएसए में, ठीक है। चिनूक विंड यूएसए में चलती है। फोन विंड चलती है आल्प्स में। सिरोका विंड चलती है आपकी इजिप्ट में और लू चलती है इंडिया में। लू कौन से में है? इंडिया में। तो चिनूक इज अ वार्म ड्राई विंड descending from the eastern slope of Rocky Mountain. It is very beneficial for stockmen. It makes the grassland free from snow. Phone. It is a warm, dry, and dusty wind that periodically descend the leeward slopes of all mountains. Its most effect in Switzerland. Soroka. It is a warm, humid wind that comes from Sahara Desert and other northern African region and runs up to southern Mediterranean basin, southern Italy and Sicily Iceland. Since it carries red sand from Sahara, so causes blood rain in the affected region. It has several regional names like in Egypt, Khamsin, Tunisia, Chile, Libya, Ghibli, etc. Lu. It is a strong, dusty, gusty, hot and dry summer wind from the west which blows over the western Indo-Gangetic plain region of North India and Pakistan. It has temperature of 38 degree to 49 degrees Celsius. It runs in India in between Punjab to Bihar. It is the highest speed near the Delhi and Patna. साइक्लोन एंड एंटीक्लोन दिस अपन अभी ये कल पढ़ें.